Grayson, what is that?
The vacuum cleaners.
What did we get?
We get a vacuum cleaner.
Does that make you, are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Why are you so happy?
Because this is stuck.
Well, what is it?
I got it out.
What is that?
It's time for the vacuum cleaner.
Do you like vacuum cleaners?
Uh-huh.
How come?
Because I like them so much.
You like them so much?
Yeah.
What do we do with a vacuum cleaner? Don't squirt that.
We squirt the floor. There's poop on the floor.
We squirt the floor when there's poo-poo on the floor? Who poops on the floor?
Buddy. Buddy poops on the I say, no, poopy buddy. Where did you get this? Back and put it on the this buddy is a little like me. Thank you, Mommy.
Here.
That.
Get back.
The vacuum
Oh, get back.
Big black. Here.
I think that's all that's in the box.
And there's something more in there.
There is?
Uh-huh.
What is it?
Right here. Right here.
What is that?
It's a bottle. A bottle.
Are you going to help Mommy put it together? And then when we put it together, then what are we going to do?